there, welcome back to my craft room. If you are new, my name is Sandy, and I'm going to decorate up a page in my Palm Springs travel journal, and I'm going to be using ephemera pieces that I picked up on my travel. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm working with here is this walking and biking tour handout, and I picked this up. I think I saw it in our hotel or maybe at the airport, and I love the retro colors, the orange and the yellow there, and the really retro images that they have. So I wanted to make sure I use that in this layout. So it's really good when you're traveling. Just keep an eye out wherever you're at, whether it's the airport, hotel, or shops or restaurants, and look for things that have the name of the city or the name of the restaurant you're in. And pick those things up for free. And those are, things that you can use to decorate in your journal, and they didn't cost you anything. So I am tearing out the edges around here so I can get this to fit onto the page. And I was tearing away because I didn't want the white edge of the paper to show as I glue this down. Yeah, like I mentioned in my last video, we had just a really nice time. Very relaxing, and it was just nice to be in a really different climate than in Louisville. Desert, dry, uh, beautiful scenery with the palm trees and the mountains, and you can just see for miles. So it was really a fun trip. So I'm going to continue to get this down to the size that I want, and I'll be right back. I also inked up the edges of that after I finished tearing it. And then I decided on this decal sticker that I bought that I wasn't going to stick it down to the page. I was just going to glue the backing down. That way, if I ever wanted to use that sticker on my laptop or on a Yeti tumbler, I can still use it. But I think it just goes so perfectly on this page. The retro colors of the decal goes well with the retro image I have here. And then I was going to use the Palm Springs from that brochure, but since the sticker says Palm Springs, I decided to go with this other one that says Join the Fun. And so I'll be putting that on there. Um, I just think that's kind of fun because Palm Springs is fun. So I'm just trying to um, see where I can get this decal to fit, and I think that upper left hand corner will work. And next, this scrap of decorative paper was in my stash, and I thought the colors were coordinated and complemented nicely with the bold retro colors and having those a little bit soft. And also they have these kind of abstract cactus drawings on there. So I'm just going to cut these into some rectangles and squares and lay that out. I'll have it in the upper right hand corner and then in the bottom left hand corner of the page. I have found that it's pleasing to the eye to replicate one of your designs multiple times. So I'm going to use the scrapbook paper in the upper left hand corner and the lower upper right hand corner and lower left hand corner. And that way, that'll be my repeating element here on this page to kind of tie the page together. And my eye, the focal point should be the image of the couple and their dog, but then that decorative paper in the background just gives it a good place for your eyes to rest. I've been thinking about some of my other page layouts that I'm going to do in this journal. Like we did an aerial tram up to the top of this mountain, and so I have some cool brochures that I will use for that layout, as well as some photos that I've taken. And then we went to a botanical garden, and there's some beautiful cactus that had flowers on them, and so I think that'll be another fun layout. And then we did some hiking out in, I think, Palm Canyon was the name of it, and so I'm going to do a layout on that. And I'm also thinking I'll probably do a layout with some of the food pictures and drink pictures that we had while we're there, and then maybe a layout of our hotel, the swimming pool area, and things like that. So I've been thinking about some of the other layouts, and I picked up some cool playing cards. I'll have to do a little haul video and show you some of the things that I picked up that I'll probably use some of those cards in here, the playing cards, but I also am planning on using them in some other projects that I have coming up. So you can see I am finishing gluing down the rest of the pieces on this page, and I really like how quickly this page came together. And like I said before, I'm just gluing the back of that sticker down, so I'll still be able to peel the sticker off if I want to use it somewhere else in the future. So that worked out nicely. Let me know what you all think of this page. Yeah, leave a comment down below. And if you're new, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you can see some of my past videos. And also, I'm going to video some of the other layouts that I do in this journal so you all can see those as well. So I have the scraps left from this handout that I'll probably use again. And it's really cool, all the history of all the movie stars and singers and stuff that used to hang out in Palm Springs. That was really neat. I love all that history there. And then that's a page I did um, just for fun when I got back to Louisville. So here's all my other items that I'll probably incorporate. I bought several postcards, and I bought another sticker. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to playing around with these. So make sure you come back and check out my future videos working in this Palm Springs journal. Um, yeah, so thanks so much. Remember to hit the like button, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, love you.